morning. So we're finally gonna go on our tour today. Finally, the storm stopped, and the Coast Guard allowed us to take the tour today. Hopefully, it won't rain anymore, but the sun is coming out, so we're gonna be able to go on the tour. So we're gonna take Tour A and spend the day island hopping. Welcome to El Nido!
We didn't pay for it.
Here we go!
Okay everyone, so we have to wear our life jacket for Coast Guard inspection. Timers in El Nido, the rules and policies that we need to follow. And of course, I have to speak in English because we have a guest from. Where are you from, sir? Yeah, Malaysia. Please clap your hands for him. Yeah, welcome here to the Philippines. And of course, for everybody else, also welcome and welcome aboard to our boat. By the way, the name of our boat is Princess Nicole V number 7. Okay. So it's very important that you know the name of our boat because later, especially in the lagoons, we will meet a lot of boats, okay? So you don't get confused, alright? Because sometimes the name is the same, the color is the same, but the number is different. Yes, because in our company we have 8 boats and the names are all the same. Okay, so today we will go and explore the package of Tour A, alright? So Tour A is actually consists of 5 different destinations. But I'm so sorry that we can only visit 4 destinations today. Aside from we have to go back until 3 o'clock, it's also dangerous to go to one of the spots, which is the Secret Lagoon. Yes, ma'am. The Secret Lagoon is facing to the open sea. And the entrance of that one is a small hole. So the problem is when it's too wavy, the wave might smash you to the rock. So that's the problem. But yeah, we can still visit 4 different places, okay? Our first stop will be the 7 Comando Beach. So we will go to the closest one. That one is just on the other side of this cliff. It's no longer an island. It's already part of mainland Palawan, but it's only accessible by boat. Okay? After 7 Comando Beach, we will go next to our snorkeling spot. Okay? So for our snorkeling spot, we're not sure yet if which one we'll be going. So we will see the situation of the water later outside. Okay? So after snorkeling, we have the Shimizu Island, where we're gonna have our land, but it's the price is 300 pesos. Alright? And for first timers in El Nido, as I said earlier, we have few rules and policies that we need to follow. Firstly, we are not allowed to step or stand on the corals. Okay? Most of the corals are breakable and it takes years in order for them to grow. So we have to be careful, okay? By stepping or standing on the corals, we might also kill some marine life. Alright? So if you want to kill something in the island, you can kill the captain. Okay? I'm just kidding. Okay, for our second rule, do not throw your garbage, especially in the seawater. If you have trash with you, just put it in the boat or give it to us for proper disposal. Alright? Thirdly, collecting sand and seashell as souvenir is not allowed. And lastly, fish feeding is also not allowed here. Because if you feed the fish, they might change their habit. Instead of eating the algae or the dirt in the corals, they will become dependent to the food that's given to them. Okay? And that's also one of the reasons why the corals are dying, because of fish feeding. So if you have extra food with your sandwich or burger, give it to us. Okay? We're not vegetarian. We eat everything here. So from here, Ma'am and Sir, we will travel for approximately 20 minutes to our first stop, and hope that everybody will enjoy this day. Thank you for listening and welcome aboard, everyone. Longer there. So they just had an engine robot during that time. So around that time, Palawan is active in logging. So there's a lot of vessels that deliver logs from Palawan to Manila. So that boat was stranded here. And the name of the boat was 7 Comando. Allowed to stay at the beach. So they just gonna drop us. And then after, we will park here. That's why you see these boats are here. So they will pick us up around, after 40 minutes. So you can bring all the things that you need. For the things that you don't really need, you can just leave it here in the boat. Okay? And before we go down, I would like to introduce my team. So that's our boat captain.
Yay!
Captain Dene. And the one in front is Rowan.
Yay!
Okay. And for those who don't know my name is Paul.
Wow!
Nice to meet me. For the boat, and it's not safe for you to swim here. If you want to swim, you can swim in the middle of the beach. or Mini Lagoon. Okay? And by the way, the resort over there is what we call Minilok Island Resort. So that one is the first island resort in El Nido, and it was built in 1983. So the price of that one is ranging from $400 up to $800 per night. So and then actually we're supposed to go to the Shimizu Island for our lunch, but since the sea condition is like this is the only place where we can hide. That's why there's a lot of boats here. Everybody's hiding here. And we will having our lunch here on the boat, okay? So
Alright.
we're just gonna distribute your lunch, okay? Yes, po.
Akin chicken adobo.
Coke Royal, Sprite, Coke Zero.
Buhaya dyan.
Hindi ako makain.
And before we go down, please double check all your things. Okay, make sure that you will not forget anything on the boat. That's all. So that's all. Thank you so much, Mami Sheila. Thank you.
Thank you so much.